In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Scrum or Kanban board on Jira. Whether you're cleaning up your project space or removing unnecessary boards, it's important to do this correctly, so let's dive right in. First, a quick reminder, you will need administrator permissions to delete boards in Jira. This is essential because only users with admin rights have the capability to make such significant changes. If you're already set with the necessary permissions, let's move forward. Start by navigating to the project where the board you wish to delete is located. It's important to note that this should be a company-managed project. These types of projects provide the control settings required for deleting boards, unlike team-managed projects, which might have different setup and permissions protocols. Once you're in the correct project, open the board you want to delete. Now locate the horizontal 3 dots next to your board's name. This is the option menu where you can modify the board settings, among other things. Click on these 3 dots and you should see a menu with different options. From this menu, go ahead and select Delete Board. This will not immediately delete your board, instead you will be prompted with a confirmation message. When the confirmation dialog pops up, it's there to make sure this is a deliberate action. Once you're sure, click on Delete to finalize the process. Remember that this action cannot be undone, so you want to be very certain before confirming. Here are a couple of important notes to keep in mind. Deleting a board does not delete the issues that were displayed on it. These issues will remain intact within the project, accessible even after the board's removal. This can be quite handy as it allows you to eliminate boards without losing valuable information or data. If you don't see the delete option available, it's likely because you do not have the necessary permissions. In this case, you'll need to contact your Jira administrator for assistance. They'll be able to either grant you the necessary permissions or execute the board deletion on your behalf. And there you have it. You've now learned how to delete a Scrum or Kanban board on Jira effectively and safely. Cleaning up old or unnecessary boards can greatly help in maintaining an organized and efficient work environment. Thanks for watching, and as always, make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.